Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1972 Triumph Tr6 convertible. We just purchased it from an older gentleman, I think in the Midwest. He purchased it in Arizona at the Russo and Steel auction. We believe this car to be an original California, Arizona car. It's a nice early model with the high compression engine. So 1972. The nice thing about this car, it's painted in its original pimento red with black interior, which is what the code says on the data plate. This is also a factory overdrive car, still retaining its original overdrive gearbox with a working overdrive unit. So 72 TR6 pimento red, black leather, black top. I'll have to check on the additional weather equipment, but painted, restored nicely in its original color and factory overdrive. So really tasty, strong combination of options here, and early year model. So we purchased this car recently, like I said, from Texas, and but it was purchased at a Russo Steel auction about 10 or 12 years ago. The gentleman was older, absolutely in love with the car, but his family thought it was wise to take his keys away at this point, and so he was heartbroken. We ended up purchasing the car. But really good car, rust-free, solid, straight, very, very good paint, great gaps. You can see how glossy this paintwork is, really nice paint. There are a couple small issues I will point out. Not really many chips going on, really good gaps. There's some very, very fine, slight bubbling just under the paintwork on this side. Maybe at one point that door was repainted and they just didn't quite get some things right, but just some very, very slight bubbling. I probably wouldn't even mess with it. I would leave it. Chrome's good, gaps are great. Little touch up here on the edge, but no, very, minimal stuff here. So a couple little chips here on the corner, a little bit of touch up needed, just a little chip there and on the edges of the doors, but just very, very minor stuff for such a pretty car overall. Newer Coker Redline tires on this beautifully restored wheel set with beauty rims. What else can we see here? This is the original front bumper. You can see the chrome's aging a little bit, but it is the original. This car is fitted with an extra set of fog lamps there, those European yellow looking lamps. But really attractive early car. That's the factory overdrive badge. Let's take a look at this car's data plate. So this is the original data plate, build date December 71, CC 77939L, and then that's the magic right there. That's that O suffix for overdrive. Paint 72, which is pimento red, trim is 11. So nicely restored in its original colors. Windshield's in great shape. That looks like it's been replaced at one point. It is missing the little chrome lockup strip. They probably didn't have it, so they just kind of siliconed a bead around there to seal it up, which is okay. That looks nice though. But yeah, great condition windshield. Let's take a look at this car's interior. So really nice trim here. These are the original fixed headrest seats. They're trimmed in black leather, excellent condition, but really nice thick quality carpet kit. Nice original door panels, excellent dashboard, no cracks going on in any of those pads. They've all been changed and replaced. Nice custom wood alloy wheel. This is your overdrive switch right here. Overdrive works. You've got to give it like a second or two to kick in. Probably just maybe the oil's a little bit lower, the filter's dirty, so that's an easy fix, but the overdrive does kick in and operate smoothly. But yeah, really attractive TR6 here. So yeah, this is the original top boot in excellent shape, or has it been, I think it's been, oh, it is a new one. So this is a new top in black. You can see it in the still photos. New top boot, Let's take a look in the trunk here, see if there's any additional. So this trunk's chock block full with some goodies. We've got a nice car cover, a nice black tonneau cover, manuals and parts books. There's a jack here. Very nice folder full of all the car's history and some maintenance receipts. And then a couple other miscellaneous parts. It has these updated shock absorber lift on the I think the hood and the trunk. Let's take a look in the car's engine compartment. Yeah, so they've given the same treatment here to the hood opening. So yeah, very nice engine bay. Beautifully detailed, engines painted nicely, all red in here, all the original paintwork color. When they went to repaint the car, they stripped all this out and did a nice restoration. I can see some newer brakes, updated electricals and ignition system and stuff like that. High performance air filters. Let me start this car up. Really good, strong running car. You can see me just driving it in the video. You can drive this car confidently. Really nice, tight drive line. So yeah, super good running engine. Gauge is operating fine. Just taking it for a hot run. All the instruments are working nicely. It's fitted with an upgraded stereo system. But yeah, nice, very nicely detailed engine compartment. They shut this hood. That's the original body tag there. It's the original emissions sticker. Everything looks to be in pretty good order. So do a final walk around here. So yeah, real attractive overdrive TR6. If you're in the market for an early TR6 with overdrive, nicely restored in its original factory color scheme. Here it is, 1972 Triumph TR6 convertible, original color of pimento red, black leather interior, black top boot, tonneau cover, 4-speed, original factory overdrive, redline tires, believed to be a California, Arizona, Texas car all of its life. Very good, solid car, excellent cosmetics. And here it is for sale on our website, ready for the fall. Beautiful time of the year to start driving a car like this. www.kurttannermotorcars.com. And I don't think this one's going to last too long, especially with that factory overdrive unit in these colors.